Hey man, say man, what's going on YouTube? Your boy actually got some good content coming for y'all today. Gotta go crazy, man. We're gonna be on this upload grind. On the road to 100 subs, man. We just gotta, hey, we in this together. That's all I gotta say, man. But your boy actually just got to the crib. Oh. Got to the crib, man. Hey, forget what everybody else saying. It's good. It feels good out here in Houston, man. Hold on, let me get some of that love, that sunlight. Look at this, shining down on me, like DJ Khaled said. But yes sir, finna go ahead, step in here and get this video set up for you guys. Yeah. All right, bet y'all. Finna go ahead. So today, what I got going on today? Finna hit this monkey challenge. I know some of y'all may know what Monkey is. Monkey is like an app. Basically, you meet with random people around the world, and from, you know, depending on what age you are, it puts you in like a category with them. But for sure today, I'm gonna go on Monkey. Ask girls to rate me in that good old 1 through 10. You feel me? I feel like I'm about a solid 10. You know what I'm saying?
Why the fuck you lying?
Alright, so shit, let's see what we got in store. Finna start chatting. Oh. Hold on, we having a dilemma. Alright, man, we back at it. We got Summer from Virginia. Yo, what's good?
Hey.
Hey, I got a question for you.
Okay.
Alright, on a scale of 1 through 10, what would you rate me?
9.
You said a what?
9.
Hey, y'all on 9s in the chat, baby. Hold on, it's 2 dudes. Nah, skip that junk. We ain't on that. Alright, we got something from the United States. Yo, what's good? What's good? Hey, ad time, I got a question for y'all.
Okay. Are you a YouTuber?
Ad time.
It was at this moment that she knew she fucked.
Alright, on a scale of 1 through 10, what would y'all rate me?
You a 20, you a 1,000.
What about you? You said 0?
I said 1,000.
What she said?
1,000. Stop.
I'm sleep. What did she say? You said 1,000. What did she say? She said 0?
I said 1,000.
No, I'm talking about. You said 0? I'm sleep. Okay, so I got 1,000 and a 0. I don't know. We got Lizzie from Orlando. Yo, what's good?
What's up?
Hey, I got a question for you.
Yeah.
On a scale of 1 through 10, would you rate me?
A 9.
A 9?
Yeah.
Bad, appreciate it. Hey, got a 9 in the chat. So I don't even know what my average is right now. You know, I got Destiny from California. I honestly don't know how many of these I'm gonna do, but your boy is feeling good off of these results, man. Hey. Whatever, she's from the United States. Yo, what's good?
Up?
Hey, I got a question for you.
What?
On a scale of 1 through 10, what would you rate me?
An 8.5.
8.5. Bad.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. 8.5. Gee. I don't know. We low key going down. I'm trying to keep it up at the 9 and 10, but I ain't tripping. That ain't no problem. All right, we got Jaisha from the United States. Oh heck no, she just skipped me. All right, we got Yo, what's good?
Y'all think it's lower class or middle class?
Hello?
Hello? Hello? Are you there?
Sleep.
Anybody home?
Heck no.
We gotta get these.
Alright, so we just had a little troller. There you go, Arkansas. Yo, what's good? Hey, add time. Hey, I got a question for y'all. I got a question for you. On a scale of 1 through 10, would you rate me? I got you. On a scale of 1 through 10, would you rate me?
What?
On a scale of 1 through 10, what would you rate me?
You a good 9.5.
9.5?
I rate you a 6. Oh, wait. I rate you an 8.
An 8?
You an 8.5.
8.5?
Anyway, I'll give you a 10.
A 10? Appreciate the love. Yes, sir. I ain't got time for none of that. Boo. Alright, I'm gonna do 1 or 2 more. And then, let me see. Yo, what's good?
I'm out, man.
Yeah,
That
man.
nigga's tripping.
I'm 19. Hey, I got a question for y'all. Oh, add time about to run out. See, hold on. See, people be trying to play me, bro. Like I'm just a pawpaw in here or something. Hey, man. I feel like Monkey Video was a success. I got some pretty decent ratings. Got your boy feeling, good. You know what I'm saying? But, hey, if y'all like more videos like this, go ahead, put it in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure, please, y'all turn on them post notifications for your boy. Yeah.